Om Shanti. Today is your 104th day of your meditative Vardhan. And in this beautiful Vardhan, God shares a method of powerful attainment in our life where we can donate something not just through money, not just through our physical health, but now through the mind. And God says that's the most powerful method of helping somebody. You can even help somebody who's living thousands of miles away from you through your thoughts, through your telepathic power. But the frequency, the power of those thoughts has to be very pure. Only then your thoughts can go and attain their goal. So let's find out what exactly God wants us to do, and He tells us in details of what attainments do we have in this method. So Baba says, may you be Master Almighty Authority. God, the Father, is Almighty Authority. He doesn't have the authority to make somebody who's dead alive. He doesn't have the authority or doesn't practice or doesn't yield the authority of making somebody sick as somebody healed back. He doesn't use the authority or the power to recreate another earth and call it heaven. He purifies this very earth. He helps us souls to also get purified through His divine knowledge. He also comes down on earth and helps us to realize that we have used the five elements in a very bad manner, because of which we are seeing all these results today, like COVID and so many other disasters. And He wants us to purify the five elements through the power of pure thoughts. So, Baba says that may you be a Master Almighty Authority who achieves success in every thought. That means whatsoever pure and powerful thoughts you create, you'll achieve success. And by the way, those thoughts should not be just for yourself. When they are for the benefit of the world and the region around you or the place around you, then those thoughts become powerful. But if they're selfish thoughts, you might achieve success, but you might have failure in long term. So, success in every thought by making a great donation of your powers with your mind. So that's the great donation God is saying. Not just a donation, but a great donation. It's unbelievable what you can achieve through your mind when you're praying for somebody. So then Baba says, the children who donate powers with their minds. What powers? The power to tolerate. So if you're praying for somebody, you may say, may you have the power to tolerate. May you have the power to face a situation like this. May you have the power to decide and discern what is the right thing to do. May you have the power to accept the situation right now, because acceptance takes a lot of time for many people. Some people go into depression when they are not able to accept any loss in their life of a near and dear one, or even property or even finances. Some people go down, spiraling down in their life. So God says, please donate these powers because they'll help you out first. So Baba says, donate powers with their minds, receive the blessing of being Master Almighty Authorities. That means you're also attaining the power to have any achievement in your own life. I'm not talking about worldly achievements, by the way. I'm talking about the first and the foremost achievement, which is peace of mind, having your own mind very powerful. Imagine that. So, Baba says, because by donating powers with your mind, you accumulate so much thought power. So we are either accumulating negative, impure power throughout the day. That is also powerful. That can destroy your life. That can make you peaceless. That is also very powerful. But if you're thinking about powerful thoughts for somebody, when you're praying for the whole world, you're praying for your family. The whole world is your family, by the way. When you're praying for them, that's the time during meditation early in the morning when you do that, or any time throughout the day when you're meditating and you're doing that for the whole world, and you're praying for them to have the power to accept, power to face situations, power to be healthy. May they have a blessed body where every organ of the body, everything, eyes till head till the foot, is completely perfect and fine and healthy. When you pray for them in that manner, that's the time even your body first receives those vibrations, because the soul is within the body. And when the soul is thinking those powerful thoughts, you being a soul, a powerful pure soul, a child of supreme Almighty Authority God the Father, when you are thinking those powerful thoughts, your vibrations are first connecting to every atom in your body, and they're passing through your body, by the way. So if you want to heal yourself first, you have to make sure that all the thoughts which you create are powerful and pure, because it's going to have an effect on your every single atom of your body first. and those vibrations are then going to go all over the world and also affect others around the world, not just around you, around the world. So the more powerful and pure thoughts you create, and less selfish, less motivated towards self gain, the more the frequency, the more the length they can travel in the world. Imagine that power which God teaches us. So then Baba says, because by donating powers with your mind, you accumulate so much thought power that you achieve success in your every thought. Your own every thought, you'll achieve success. First success will be you'll have a healthy body. Second success could be your financial success, could be your relationship success, could be peace of mind, which is the most important success in your life. Contentment is the most important success in your life. Staying healthy mentally and physically is the most important success in your life than any other financial achievement. So then Baba says, you will able to stabilize your thoughts. Imagine people are actually crying out now that they are not able to stabilize their thoughts. They are not able to think right or correct when they are facing situations where their loved ones are leaving the body. They don't know where to make sure that their mind is stable, where to focus. Think about it. So you will be able to stabilize your thoughts wherever you want in a second, provided you are blessing other souls, you're praying for other souls, you're giving them donation of powers. The 8 powers have been mentioned in the description down below. You can see the link in the description and you can understand and contemplate about them and study them more when you go to Brahma Kumari Center. You will be able to stabilize your thoughts wherever you want in a second. That's the power of meditation. Your thoughts are controlled by you, not by situations, not by people, not by things around you. Because you become victorious over your thoughts, you are able to make those with mischievous thoughts, even those people who have got impure thoughts during these times, thoughts unshakable and peaceful in a short time. You have so much of power gathered around you that you can actually have an effect on those souls through the power of meditation, that your vibrations, your own powerful thoughts actually make other people stop thinking impure thoughts or stop thinking anything negative about other people, other souls. So they'll themselves either go away or they'll change. That's the benefit, that's the beauty of it. They won't be able to face the true or the strength of truth or the strength of purity within you. If they are ready to transform, they'll be able to transform themselves, or otherwise they'll avoid you. In both the cases, you are victorious. So, main thing over here we need to focus is that our thoughts have to have the power of blessing others, because they first affect us than affecting others. First they affect us, they transition us, and then they affect other souls. So who's benefiting more? So every second should be give dua, give blessings, and get back dua or get back blessings in your life. There's no other method to live in this world, because at the end of the day you are only going to carry the blessing of others. If you're in that hospital, only the blessings of others are going to help you. Think about it. Your healing of your mind and your body depends upon the blessings which you're giving others. I leave you with this beautiful thought, beautiful blessing from God the Father, point of light, divine being, the purifier of all, and have a blessed day. Stay safe. Om Shanti.